Hello kids, welcome to my channel Upgrade Your English. Please subscribe this channel. Today we'll know the action verbs. Wander, W-A-N-D-E-R, means walk around. Boy is wandering in the city. Tell means to say something to someone. The teacher is telling the story to students. Sleep means rest. The girl is sleeping. Revolve means to move around in a circle. The satellite revolves around the earth. Pray means talk to God. The family prays together. Climb means to move from a lower place to a higher place. The boy is climbing the tree. Allow means to give permission to do something. The dog is not allowed in the area. Drop means to let something fall down. The girl drops the boxes. Miss, to feel sad because someone is not with you. The boy misses the flight. Nod, agree with a head move. I nod my head to say yes. Knit means make with wool. The girl is knitting. Identify means to recognize or tell who or what something is. The man is identifying the evidence. Handle means to use or touch something with your hands. The workers are handling the farm. Extinguish, to stop a fire or light from burning. The fireman extinguished the fire. Twinkle, to shine with a small, bright, flickering light. The stars are twinkling. Please like, follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you.